Hello, hi, how are you? Where am I today? I can see the sea, I can see sand, and I can see seagulls. That's right, I'm at the beach. And today's story is about Stevo the Seagull. Stevo was a seagull that lived by the beach, kind of like this one. One day he saw a crab limping. "Hey dudes, look over there, that crab's limping," Stevo laughed. All of his friends rolled their eyes and flew away. The crab rolled his eyes and walked on by. Later that day he came across Wally the walrus. "Hey, Specky Four Eyes." "Stevo, you know I don't like it when you call me that," said Wally. Stevo joined his friends by the rocks to look out for food. He looked down at the beach and he saw a little boy holding a cheese sandwich. "Hey, look over there, that kid's got a cheese sandwich, I'm gonna get it." Stevo flapped his wings and got into position and then dove down and stole the cheese sandwich from the boy. The little boy cried and ran to his daddy. Stevo flew back to the rocks with his new dinner, a cheese sandwich. "Stevo, you can't take food off children." "I can, and I did," said Stevo. After his dinner, Stevo got bored. "It's so boring here, there's nothing to do. I'm going to go on an adventure." "Well, what are you going to do, Stevo? You can't go too far away from the sea," said Sally. "We're seagulls. We're meant to stay by the sea." Before she knew it, Stevo had flapped his wings and gone off. Stevo was flying all through the night. He was getting really tired. The sea had gone, the green hills had gone, and all that was below him was grey concrete and buildings. Stevo landed by a big clock. Bong, 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 it chimed. So where was Stevo? There's a big clock. There were houses called Houses of Parliament, and the king lived there. Where was Stevo? He was in London, the city of London. "Get out of my way, you horrible thing," a man shouted at Stevo. People living in London were not used to seagulls. "What is that horrible looking bird?" "I don't like it here. I'm going to have to go back home," said Stevo. Stevo managed to find some food by the bins before someone shooed him away. "Get out of here." "I've got to get home." Stevo began flying away, but he didn't know where he was. All of a sudden he looked down and he could see Wally the walrus and that crab limping that he saw yesterday. Stevo couldn't believe his eyes. "I'm home, I'm home." Stevo flew down to the sea. "Hey, Wally." Wally the walrus ignored him. "Wally, it's me, Stevo." "Oh, hi, Stevo," said Wally. "What are you doing here?" "Well, I went on an adventure and I got a bit lost." "Well," said Wally, "you're far away from home. Mr. Crab and I were just going on a day trip. I swim through the sea and Mr. Crab navigates." "Are you going home?" asked Stevo. "Yes, we are. Do you want to hop on?" "Yes, please, mate." "Okay, hop on. Mr. Crab, directions, please." Wally, Mr. Crab and Stevo the Seagull all made their way back home. Wally was swimming through the sea, Mr. Crab was directing, and Stevo just took in the view. After a while, Stevo could see his home of rocks. "Hey, we're here." "Thank you, Wally and Mr. Crab," and he gave them a high five and flew back to his friends on the rock. All of Stevo's friends asked him why he was hanging out with Wally the walrus and a crab with the limp. Stevo explained that they shouldn't be mean about his new friends, as you'll never know when you'll need their help. The end. So what did we learn from that? Well, being mean never really helps anyone, really. It's always nice to be nice. And Even though Stevo was making fun of Mr. Crab and Wally the Walrus at the beginning of the story, Mr. Crab and Wally the Walrus still helped him. So kindness always wins. Bye!